Hey guys, good morning. Lily here with Lily's Outdoor Adventures, and I'm at Dockside Charters. Gonna go fishing. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted. See you soon. Hey guys, here with my daughter Sophia with Dockside Charters. We're heading out here. Go get a little fish and a little crab, hopefully. Yeah, buddy, we're just going out to our spot to drop our pots and start on fishing. Talk to you soon. Hi, Sophie.
Hi.
Looking like we're gonna drop some crab pots. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. So throw in the crab pots. And then we're gonna let those soak while we go fishing and then pull all those guys up. Yeah, keep going, baby. Reel, reel, reel. Reel, reel, reel. Go, go, go. Keep going. Reel, baby, reel. Don't stop. Reel, reel, reel. You don't know what's on the end of that pole. Keep going. Keep going, babe. Don't give up. Don't give up. Faster, faster, harder, faster. Think like you're mad at Maddie. Just go. Reel. There you go. It kind of helped. There it is. Yeah, Sophie. Hey, we'll see if it's a keeper. Tell you guys what, it's been kind of hard for us to get recordings during this trip, but when you're catching fish and you're having fun. So far, bucket's looking pretty dang good. Yeah, buddy. Hey, Sophie. Hi. I'm recording it. You're going into the smallest opening in Depot Bay.
I'd like to thank you all for fishing with us today, guys. We all headed to the dock and you're up on your and once we're all right off the dock here, guys, out on the dock there.
Hey guys, just getting back from a bottom fishing trip, and hell yeah, between my daughter and I, we ended up getting 16 dungees, and then we got 7 rockfish. Hell yeah, guys. Bye.